क्या महिलाओं की चिंता सिर्फ महिलाएं ही करेगी? महिलाओं की चिंता, महिलाओं का हित, महिलाओं से आगे बढ़कर भाइयों ने सोचना चाहिए।
हर घर में ऐसे भाई नहीं होते जो बहन का सब अच्छा कल्याण देखते हैं, बट दैट इज वेरी काइंड ऑफ हिम टू से दैट।
मैं अपने पार्टी का और इस देश के माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी शुक्रगुजार हूं।
माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, मैं अधीर रंजन जी को इतना पूछना चाहता हूं, क्या महिलाओं की चिंता सिर्फ महिलाएं ही करेगी, पुरुष नहीं कर सकते हैं? किस प्रकार के समाज की आप रचना चाहते हैं भाई? महिलाओं की चिंता, महिलाओं का हित, महिलाओं से आगे बढ़कर भाइयों ने सोचना चाहिए। यही इस देश की परंपरा है। महिलाओं के बारे में सोचने का अधिकार सभी को है। तो हमारे साथी सांसद निशिकांत जी खड़े हुए हैं, इसमें उनको क्या आपत्ति है? उनको खड़ा होने नहीं मिला पहले, इसलिए थोड़ा जेलस हो रहे हैं शायद।
Sir, the Honorable Amit Shah ji, when he corrected one of his speakers, he was very graceful and he said, why can't men? भाई भी कर सकता है। जी सही बात है, हर घर में ऐसे भाई नहीं होते जो बहन का सब अच्छा कल्याण देखते हैं, बट दैट इज वेरी काइंड ऑफ हिम टू से दैट। हर की तकदीर इतनी अच्छी नहीं होती, बट फिर भी द मेन, आई नेवर से, ऑलवेज से देयर आर टू wheels for a cycle to work. So men are equally important. And I would like to about the men which has influenced our lives as women. It was B.R. Ambedkar who gave us a right to vote. It was Mahatma Phule, he made sure gave us education, and a woman like me stands here educated and qualified because of what he contributed. And the women policy which was first, I say that with extreme pride in my heart, that the women policy which was started by initiated in the Congress under the leadership of Shri Rajiv Gandhi. I was fortunate enough to say it's my father Sharad Pawar who in Maharashtra was the first state to implement Panchayat Raj 33% reservation. And it's about the girl child. I mean, Sunita Dugal ji was talking about the issues that women have. Fortunately, I was born in a very liberal home. My father and my mother, there was only one condition my father laid to my mother, that if we have a child, whatever the gender, it can be any gender, a girl or a boy, but we are not going to have more than one child. And I was born, and my father after that did the family planning, not my mother. So I really say this, it was 50 years ago, 5 decades, when nobody talked about Beti Padhao or Beti Bachao. I come from a family, and same is applicable to my friend Kanimoli. Her mother also chose to have only one child as her parents have had. So we come from these families. You also, Raja ji also has only one child, one daughter. So we are very lucky you also have one daughter. This is a great house where we are blessed that with decades we are genuinely liberal. We are not looking for one. There are many families which come from this kind of liberal modern thinking where we are not trapped into genders. Sir, this is a big social change that we came in.